Hi everybody! This video is a tutorial on getting started with the Looker Embedding Demo App. I will show how to navigate the platform's setup, configuration, and demo sections to quickly test and visualize signed URLs. For this tutorial, you will need developer access to your Looker instance. You can find the Looker Embedding Demo application by following the link displayed or just by scanning the QR code. The demo is a simple HTML and JavaScript-based application which allows you to explore Looker embedding and understand the process in more detail. Let's do an example together. We're starting from the landing page of the Embed Demo building. All the instructions you need are available on this starting page. There are 3 sections: the Setup section, the Embed section, and the Final Demo section. Let's establish today's demo setup first. In the setup, I have already implemented some information, a logo URL pointing to the Google logo, along with my primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. I labeled the action button as well as the subpages and assigned some icons. Let's save this configuration. With that, we can already see how my demo page will look. As a second step, let's configure the Embed section. This section uses the embed secret and scripting to generate a signed URL. At this point, I want to reference you to the corresponding session that provides the basics and theory regarding signed URLs. You can get the embed secret from your Looker instance. Navigate to Embed, scroll to the very bottom of the page, and generate a secret. Once copied, paste it into the Embed application. Save the configuration of your SSO URL. Now, if you switch to the demo page, you will see Looker content displayed straight away without any further login. Keep in mind that this is a mock-up page. The side menus and buttons are not clickable. If you want to showcase how signed embedding works, you have additional options on the Embed configuration page. For example, you can set properties such as user attributes. Once set, I can now assign user attributes into my signed URL as a parameter. For my demonstration, I implemented a user attribute called Workshop State. This attribute is implemented in my model and applied for row-level security using the Access Filter parameter. I'll assign the values of Texas, Ohio, and Utah and save my configuration. The attributes will be visible within the URL. And upon switching to the demo setup, you will see the same dashboard, but with row-level security applied. As you can see, this simple application is a great resource for quickly playing around with signed embed URLs and showcasing the capabilities of Looker.